In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a tracker blocker and block cookies in your browser with the help of Nordvpn. Let's face it, privacy is a major concern in our digital lives, and preventing unwanted tracking can significantly enhance your online security and browsing experience. In these next few minutes, I'll guide you through the simple steps to achieve just that using Nordvpn's features. First things first, let's navigate to your Nordvpn app. Once you have it open, you'll notice quite a few options in the dashboard. Keep your focus on the left side, where you'll see something called Threat Protection. Go ahead and click on this to open up an array of features designed to safeguard your privacy. Now that we're inside Threat Protection, one key setting you want to look out for is the Ad and Tracker Blocker. It's like having a personal online shield that keeps those pesky ads and invasive trackers at bay. By turning this on, you'll not only enjoy a decluttered browsing experience, but also prevent unwanted entities from collecting your data. It's as simple as just toggling the switch to activate this feature. Once your Ad and Tracker Blocker is on, we're going to take it a step further by delving into specific settings. Click on Tracker Blocker. This particular setting is crucial because it targets those invisible trackers that sites often use to glean information about your browsing habits without your knowledge. Enabling the tracker blocker boosts your privacy as it works silently in the background, stopping trackers from building a profile based on your online activities. Remember, while enabling these features on NordVPN significantly bolsters your privacy, it's also important to be mindful of your overall online habits. Regularly clearing your browser cookies and cache can further enhance privacy. Plus, using strong, unique passwords across different accounts and browsing websites via secure connections, look for that little padlock icon in the URL bar, will keep your information even safer. In summary, getting a handle on your online privacy doesn't have to be complex. Through the simple steps of opening your NordVPN app, clicking on Threat Protection, activating the Ad and Tracker Blocker, and diving into the Tracker Blocker settings, you've set up formidable defenses against unwanted tracking. It's little changes like these that make a huge impact in keeping your online experience secure and serene. Thanks for joining me in fortifying your online privacy. By taking these steps, you're proactively ensuring that your personal data stays private. Stay safe online, and see you next time.